Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen. What are we eating today? We are eating lazy lasagna. This is all you're gonna need. You're gonna need mozzarella cheese. You're gonna need some cheese ravioli. You're gonna need some pasta sauce, and you're gonna need meat of your choice. It could be Italian sausage, it can be ground beef, ground turkey, ground chicken, whatever you choose to make your lasagna with, that's all you're gonna need. So let me shred my cheese and then I'll be right back. So my cheese is shredded. Then we're gonna go over here to my pan. Let me pull you up some. And this is my favorite pan, y'all. I'm gonna just put some olive oil in here. Just like that. Because you know when you're working with ground turkey, it does not have any grease. So I'm gonna rinse off my turkey. And cut my stove down. Rinse this turkey off. In there. These are the seasonings I choose to use. We're going to go with paprika, onion powder, lazy lasagna, parsley, did you get the brown sugar for me, babe?
Where is it?
Over there. Black pepper. I love black pepper. So we're going to chop this up. Go ahead. Just so you guys know, I do not do it exactly how it shows on there. I do a twist to everything that I cook because I've been cooking for so long. So this right here is something I love to do. I love to mix the meat with the actual pasta sauce because it lets the sauce permeate through the meat and grab all the flavors from the meat. So you don't have to do this. You would just have an extra layer. You would have the sauce, meat, pasta, cheese instead of the way that I'm going to show you at the end. So it's up to you. But if it's easier to do it this way, which I think it is, I think you should rock this one. All right. So basically you just allow that to cook and it will start to simmer. And I like to get all my sauce out the jar, so that's what I am doing. But you're gonna let this stuff simmer and then you're gonna go ahead and start doing the next step, which is getting closer to eating this awesome addictive lasagna. So let's see how this pans out. Let's keep watching. I know y'all see it. It looks nice and tender and the sauce is perfectly cooked. Let's go and let's start layering this bad boy up. Alright guys, so here is the fun part. You're going to get some form of cooking spray and you're going to spray the inside of your crock pot. I have a olive oil garlic spray that I found from Aldi's, and it's a seasonal item. I wish it was their regular item because it is awesome. And all you're gonna do is layer the meat sauce, and then you're gonna do pasta and cheese. Meat sauce, pasta, cheese, all the way up to the top, or however much you feel you need to make for your family. But when I tell you it is simple, those pastas do not need to be thawed out. They can be completely frozen and still work, and it still will come out amazing. So that's all I'm doing here. As you see, I'm just doing layers all the way up, and then I'm going to show you my last layer is basically a little bit of sauce, but ending off with some cheese. And then this is what it looked like after it has been cooking for about a good 30 minutes or so. Actually a little bit longer than that, but yeah, because you can cook it as slow as you want to or as fast as you need to. Do you see how cheesy this is? Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Y'all, we couldn't resist. This stuff is so good, and we already dug into it, and it is cheesy and amazing and easy. You definitely want to try this with your family. We got some yeast rolls and some garlic bread, and we're about to grub, guys. Thanks for joining me for this lazy crockpot lasagna. See you in my next cooking video, and let's see what we're cooking and eating next time. Later, gators. If you were looking for your girl on social media, this is where I am at CPR for the Body. But hey, before you go, check out these great videos I have lined up.